Good morning, everyone. Today is 27th October, and I'm Shuchi Rumta here presenting the morning market update. The Nifty lost 74 points over the closing at 17,656 on Tuesday. It filled the gap created on the Muhurat trading session. Stocks, however, performed, where Tech Mahindra, Maruti, and Larsen were the top gainers. This move beyond 17,400 has been quite encouraging. The momentum and participation has been excellent, and we also have a bullish moving average crossover on Nifty, and RSI is also comfortably staying over 50 levels. India VIX has fallen to 16.8 levels at the lower end of the range. Overall, the broader sectors are doing well simultaneously, participating in the rally. PSU banks, IT, and the auto sector have been the star performers. Dollar index trades at 109.6, breaking below the important support zone of 110, which is adding the further fuel up for the bulls. The international indices had an encouraging move in the last two trading sessions overall, with some profit booking yesterday second half. SGX Nifty is at 17,910 currently, hinting a gap up opening. To conclude, today is the monthly expiry and we have the maximum call writing at the 18,000 strike, which is bound to act as the overhead resistance. Overall, the trend and momentum is up, and 18,100 is on the cards soon. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 17,636 and 17,520. Resistance 17,827 and 17,920. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 41,000 and 40,600. Resistance 41,530 and 41,850. Thank you.